Pitram gives the ability to select whether or not the primary allocation for, say, a truck is associated with the loader or with the location that it's operating at. So this is likely to be site specific, whether or not your operation cares more so about location or face utilization versus equipment utilization. So you can see right now my trucks are assigned to excavators or loaders. If I wanted to change that, I could go into my equipment display options and set the show location flag to be on rather than primary allocation. When I change that, now it'll show my actual locations that those trucks are working at rather than the loaders that they're working from. So it's largely personal choice based on the way your operation wants to actually visualize that information and what's of more value to you.